best things in life are champagne bubbles and dog snuggles. Prove me wrong. This candle it smells amazing. It's so good. No, it does not smell like wet dog. It smells like Mandarin, champagne mimosa, and vanilla. This is so good. It's a 9-ounce candle. It's hand poured from Oceanside, California, and it's coconut wax. So that's really cool. What else? It also has, I don't know. It doesn't say how long it burns, but I'm guessing a pretty long time. So you can find this at redapplevixen.com in the home and gift section.